Is it a car? Is it a plane? Well, it's a bit of both actually. Meet Holland's Flying Car, known as a personal air and land vehicle, which allows its users to skip those irritating traffic jams or mountains, as its manufacturer explains.
If you want to fly over a mountain, you can do that and then drive at the other end and go to your destination, or fly over water or past the traffic jam, of course. All those type of things are possible now.
The car plane reaches top speeds of 110 miles an hour and can fly for up to 315 miles, depending on the onboard weight. It made its first flight in March, and providing they can find investors to take the project into production, the company hopes it will attract normal road users as well as flying enthusiasts. So, all you need is a private pilot's licence, a 165-metre stretch of runway, and you need never be held up during rush hour again.